Yeah. Remember I came back and then and Mama said I had something like whooping cough.
And then what happened?
Remember I kept on going and I couldn't breathe?
Yeah.
I almost had whooping cough. Well, whooping cough is when like you're coughing and something else happens. You can't breathe and something else happens. This white spit comes out of you, like it goes zoom, drips out of you. I
Out
took
your
a video.
eye?
No, out of your mouth. You're coughing and then stuff keeps on falling out of your mouth.
And that didn't happen to you, huh?
One time I did this and I did this and spit came out. It wasn't white spit. It was just my normal spit.
Well, then it's not whooping cough.
It was just coming on the ground.
Whooping cough is when it's like white, bubbly spit and it going. I saw a video.
I didn't have whooping cough.
I saw a video when she was in bed and she had a little princess bed and she was coughing at nighttime. She was like, and she was so coughing and milk and like stuff was coming out of her mouth that was white.
It was whooping cough. Watch this. I have whooping cough, so I got punched right as I would do it.
And there is something
What?
else that is bad for whooping cough. Walking-itis.
What?